My hair is so greasy. Doesn't actually really look like it right now, but trust me, we have been gymming. That's it really. We've been to the gym every single day. Hair has not been washed in, I don't even know, a good few days. The number one thing I search for on YouTube is greasy hairstyles. And I never fully get what I want. So these are my go-to hairstyles that I have found over the years of not wanting to wash my hair every single day, but still wanting to look cute sometimes. And I feel like there's a lot of cute ones with all like the plaits and like the pigtails, but like I'm never realistically gonna wear them out. So these are my more realistic go-to hairstyles when my hair is greasy, but when I still wanna look somewhat cute. Now this is heatless, but obviously bear in mind I do have some curls through my hair. So if your hair is a bit skew with, might want to put a bit of heat in it. It's up to you. But if your hair is straight or it's got a bit of a curl, then I think your hairstyles are always going to look that little bit better. Just being completely honest. I'm going to pop on the screen here some of the products you're going to need to do these hairstyles with. All right, so let's crack straight on with hairstyle number one. I'm going to take the little fishtail bit of this comb and I'm going to put my hair into a middle parting. All of these hairstyles I feel like you could do in a side or middle part. So if you're not a middle parting girl, feel free to do this as a side parting. If you see any of my greys, no you don't. Okay, then I'm gonna take the best dry shampoo in the world. No word of a lie, this stuff is incredible. When my hair is greasy, as in beyond greasy, and I use this, my hair looks like it's almost been freshly washed. It is insane. So this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. It's not cheap, but it is worth it. I'm just gonna spray this more towards the back because the front bit we're actually gonna section away. You wanna get this right on the root as well. Shake that out. Okay, then you're gonna take your little brush and you're gonna section off 2 pieces at the front. Then you're gonna tie the rest of your hair at the back, just with a scrunchie or with a clip or anything you want. I do actually have a bit of a fringe at the minute, so that's how you know how greasy my hair is, because it's just staying to one side. You're gonna take your hairspray. You're gonna take your, I don't know what this is called. It's like a back combing brush, smoothing brush. It's what all the girlies use for their sleek hairstyles. And we're just gonna smooth down that section of hair and tuck it behind your ear. Take some little bobby pins and just secure that in place behind your ear. You can cross the bobby pins over if you want it to be really secure into like a little cross shape. And then just repeat that on the other side. I'm using the wrong brush. And then just take down the rest of your hair that you push to the back. Okay, now you're gonna section this bit back and you're gonna back comb it just to give it a little bit of body on top. That's why we use the dry shampoo, because the back bit, you want to look a little bit fresher. So I'm just gonna section this first bit here. Just stop back combing it there. I then push that bit to the front. My nails are really grown out, so they're like catching on my hair and it's pissing me off. You see hairspray in between. Okay. And then take your smoothing comb, just because you don't want to brush out all the back comb you've just did, but you just want to smooth it down a little bit. It's giving bridal at the minute. We don't really want that, so we're just going to brush it out a little bit more. Like, you could wear this to a wedding, but I think that's really cute. You could also, as I say, do it in a side parting if you prefer. I feel like I am actually more of a side parting girl, but I wanted to do this in the middle. So yeah, this is the first hairstyle. Okay, now we're gonna move on to hairstyle number 2. I'm gonna take these clips out, but I am gonna keep these sections separate at the front. So take the same sections that you tucked behind your ear, just keep them together at the front, just clip it to the front like that. And then you're gonna take all of your hair back and create a sort of low to mid ponytail. Brush the hair down, but not too tightly, because you do actually want a little bit of volume at the back. Tie your ponytail at the back and then let your pieces back down at the front. You're then gonna repin them behind your ears. The reason why I didn't leave them and then do the ponytail is just because the way they're clipped, the ponytail wouldn't have gone up properly. So it is better to do it this way round. Right, so you wanna do clip 1, clip 2. Same for this side. I'm not sure if these bits look better down or up. I'm gonna see at the end. I'm actually gonna tuck these behind my ear. And then these little bits that are hanging down, you're just gonna pull them up and just slip them underneath the ponytail at the back. And then it sort of blends in with the rest of the pony and you can't even see it. And then if you want, you can actually put a second bobble round, because that's just gonna tie all of those bits together in with the ponytail. Now you're gonna take the section at the top of the ponytail like that, and you're gonna do a little bit of back combing. And that's just gonna give your ponytail loads of volume and it's gonna look super, super cute. So this is hairstyle number 2. Okay, hairstyle number 3, we're gonna start completely from scratch. I've taken that whole hairstyle out. And now you wanna section 2 big, my hair has got so much product in. Now you wanna section off 2 big chunks at the front. So from about there, almost like a semicircle around your hair and just behind the ears. And then when you've done that, just section this back bit off with a scrunchie. Okay, then again, you wanna section off these 2 front bits, because for this hairstyle, we're doing a side parting. So you wanna get your side parting where you want it and then just section it off like that. And again, I'm just gonna twizzle it round and put it in a little clip at the front. My arm's starting to ache. Okay, keep that back section clipped away. We're gonna take these two pieces, your smoothing brush, and some more hairspray. We're gonna spray and brush back and spray. That actually went in my ear hole. You want to section this back into a little ponytail like that. Get your little hair bubble and make a little ponytail. You want this to be relatively tight. If you do need to secure any little bits down, if there's any little lumps, take your little bobby pin, go over lump, and then push it into the ponytail, and then you won't see it. Okay, take your big scrunchie out of the back and then unclip this front section. Okay, we're gonna sweep this over to the side. Actually low-key like it down, but obviously where I've got my little fringe, you could curl this and leave it like this, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna scrape it to the side. More hairspray. It's gonna have to be a deep hair wash tonight. Flatten it down, tuck it behind your ear, and then we're gonna put two little bobby pins right there. And this is hairstyle number 3. Okay, and our final hairstyle, I'm kind of sad to take this one out because I really love this one, but we are gonna take it all out and we are gonna go back to a middle parting. Once your hair's in a middle parting, you are going to take these two fingers and you are going to scrape back from the ears to the back of the head. Section off half your hair like that. I'm then gonna clip this out of the way and then take the bottom section and just tie that off with a scrunchie. Unclip this bit again, take your smoothing comb and more hairspray. And we're gonna keep the middle parting and just smooth this back into a half up ponytail. Switch this comb just to actually get it all back, and then I'm gonna go back to the smoothing comb. Then you can go in with your hairspray and just smooth it down into place. This brush is honestly amazing. Okay, once you've got that nice and smooth how you want it, take your bobble and then tie it up at the back. You tell that I'm sweating. Okay, then take your scrunchie out at the back. I'm gonna retwist this because I feel like all the curls are falling out. And I'm not shy of a little bobby pin if I need to, just to make sure it's how I want it. And then take a small clip if you've got one like this. I'm gonna put mine right underneath and then just pull it, and it's just gonna give you really nice volume on that ponytail at the back. I see a lump, so I'm gonna bobby pin the shit out of this. And that is our final hairstyle. Okay, and that is it for my greasy hair hairstyles. I hope these helped. Please let me know if they did. If there's any other videos you want to see from me, please let me know in the comments. Obviously, please like, subscribe. I hate saying it, it makes me feel a bit cringe. But please do like, subscribe, comment, do all those things. Obviously, it really helps as a channel. And let me know if there's anything else you do want to see. Also, follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. My main platform is my TikTok account. That's where I post every single day. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.